Sometimes there are long processes that are important, but they don't need to be seen in real time. For example, the only thing that happens during this clip is an upload. It doesn't need to be watched second by second, so we can use clip speed to speed it up. To add clip speed, open the Visual Effects tab and drag the clip speed effect to the desired piece of media. Adjust the clip speed in the Properties panel, or open the Effects tray and hover over the edge of the clip speed bar until you see these little arrows. Drag the clip in to speed it up, or out to slow it down. Let's speed it up quite a bit and see how it looks. Nice, that's a lot shorter. For more tips and tricks, check out the tutorials on our webpage. Thanks for watching.